Good morning, students. Myself, Arun Dahake of Srimati CB Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Gandhi Bagh, Nagpur. I will teach you Maths Part 2 of 9th standard, and we'll see that chapter number 3, that is triangles. Now, we know that the triangles, we'll see the basics of the triangles first. Now, chapter triangle. Now, triangles have three sides. ABC is a triangle ABC. Now, these are the interior angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Students, we know that the sum of all angles of triangle, that is angle A, angle B plus angle C, and that is equal to 180 degree. We know this theorem, and the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. On the basis of this theorem, we'll see the important theorem that is called remote interior angle theorem of a triangle. But this concept is very important there. What is the concept there of triangles? There are three angles of a triangle, and all sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is the basics of the triangle. Now, on the basis of this triangle, we'll see this. The first theorem is that very important theorem, that is called the remote interior angle theorem. Remote interior of a triangle. Remote interior angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle. This is very important theorem. Now, what is that? This theorem is very important there. Now, we'll see this. The remote interior angle theorem, that is called of a triangle. What is the remote interior angle theorem? Now, ABC is a triangle, and if you see this, now BC extends to here D, that is BD is the ray, that is called the line also, you can extend here also. Now, we'll see that the ACD, this is an exterior angle of a triangle. This is exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle. ACD is an exterior angle, and ACB, this is the linear angle of this exterior angle, and remaining these two, this one and this two, these two angles are called as remote interior angles of a triangle. Then what is the statement of this triangle? The statement of this triangle theorem, so measure of, what is the statement? The measure of exterior angle of a triangle, is the sum of remote interior angle. Remote interior angle. Now, we'll see the proof of this one. The measure of exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of, or is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. This is the statement of this remote interior angles of a triangle theorem. So, very important theorem. This is the theorem. It's a very important theorem. Now, figure is what? ABC is a triangle, ACD is an exterior angle of a triangle. The measure of this angle is equal to sum of its remote interior angle. That means what you have to prove? So, we will see that the given. See here, given. Now, in given, what is given there? ABC is a triangle. Triangle ABC in triangle ABC, which one is the exterior angle? ACD is an exterior angle. ACD is an exterior angle. Exterior angle. So, this is a very important given. This is a very important. ACD is an exterior angle of a triangle ABC. Now, we'll see that to prove. To prove means what? What we have to prove? This result is what? The measure of this ACD, that is ACD, angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. This is the sum of these two. ACD, full name of this exterior angle, and now AC, that is angle A, and this is angle B. We'll we'll write in this full form this also, BAC plus ABC also we can write. But in short, angle A and angle B. Now, in this triangle, now see the proof of this. See, how to prove this one? Now, we have to use the concept of the triangles. We know that the sum of the measures of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Now, first is there in proof. The sum of all angles of triangle, is 180 degree. So, very first concept we are using here in triangle ABC. Now, in triangle ABC, write the sum of all angles. Now, in short, angle A plus angle B, but we don't write here angle C here. So, we will write all the full name of all three angles. Angle ABC, plus angle ACB, plus angle BAC, and that is equal to 180 degree. This is angle A means BAC and B means ABC, and this angle ACB, third angle. Don't take now this exterior angle now. Only the three angles, sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is the equation number 1. This is first equation. After getting this first equation, now see that the exterior angle ACD is an exterior angle. With this exterior angle, which one is the linear angle there again? Pair of linear angle ACB. So, now ACD plus ACB, angle ACD plus angle ACB, and that is equal to also 180 degree. The reason is what? This is equation number 2, and what is the reason? Reason here, pair of linear angles. Pair of linear angles. Linear angles. We know that the pair of linear angle is also sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree. Now, observe these two. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Observe this. Which side is similar there? Which side is same there? Right hand sides are same here. 180 degree here also 180 degree. Now, if the right hand sides are equal, then the left hand sides also equal. So, right there from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, equation number 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2. You can write here simple one, number 1 and 2 also. I write here the symbols, that is the Roman numbers 1 and 2 here. We can use this one. You can use the numbers also there. Now from 1 and 2, so left hand sides are equal. So angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC, and that is equal to, this is the left side of the equation number 1, this is the left hand side equation number 1. So angle ACD plus angle ACB. These two are the equations, equal equations. Here the left hand sides are equal. Left hand sides are equal. That means what here? Angle ACB. Now see which angle is common on both sides here? Angle ACB and angle ACB. But we cannot cancel out from the left hand sides and right hand sides. Angles cannot cancel out. We can eliminate this one. So eliminating angle ACB from both sides. Eliminating angle ACB. You can write a symbol there. Angle ACB from both sides. So eliminate that. Don't cancel out this one, but eliminate in the next step. So angle ABC plus angle BAC is equal to angle ACD. Right? Straight away, therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle, write this first, BAC plus angle ABC. And in short, angle BAC means angle A and this is angle B. So, therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle A plus B, hence proved this one. Hence proved. Means what? Measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of its remote interior angle. Now with the example of that, suppose that this angle is here 60 degree and this is here 70 degree. Suppose that. That means the sum of these two, 70 plus 60. So that is 70 degree plus 60 degree, and that is equal to 130 degree. So what will be this angle? Angle ACD is always equal to sum of its remote interior. These are the interior angles, C also interior, but these two are remote interior, not with this one. So this is the linear pair, this forming the linear pair, but these two are the interior and remote interior angle. So sum of these two angles is equal to the measure of an exterior angle. So it's a very important theorem in a triangles chapter of 9th standard, and next theorem, the isosceles triangle theorem, also based on this one. So we can use this, the property of remote interior angle theorem, to prove the number of theorems. So we can use this concept to prove the number of theorems here. Thank you.